see, I didn't invent murder. I didn't invent it. But I perfected it. I didn't want it to be like this. But fate is the reason why I'm the one digging the hole. And why you're the one wrapped in a fucking bag. It was fate. I love you. I always will love you. But I don't love you today. Ah!